Picture it. You're in the kitchen, ready to whip up a delicious meal, and then it happens. The dreaded onion. You start chopping, and before you know it, your eyes are stinging. Tears are streaming down your face, and you're wondering if you should have just ordered takeout. But fear not. Today, we're going to tackle this common kitchen woe head on. Ever felt like you need swimming goggles just to chop an onion? It's a funny image, but for many of us, it's a reality. The tears, the burning sensation, the frustration, it's enough to make anyone dread cooking. But what if I told you there's a way to chop onions without all the drama? Yes, you heard that right. No more tears, no more drama, no more goggles. Just smooth, tear-free onion chopping. Today I'm going to show you how to chop onions like a pro without the tears. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen newbie, these tips and tricks will make your onion chopping experience a breeze. So, grab your knife and let's get started. First, grip your knife like a tool, not a baseball bat. This might seem like a small detail, but it's crucial. A proper grip gives you better control and reduces the risk of accidents. Hold the knife with your thumb and index finger on the blade and wrap your other fingers around the handle. This grip will give you precision and stability. Then, prep that onion without turning it into a gymnast. Start by cutting off the top of the onion and slicing it in half from top to bottom. Peel off the outer layers and you're ready to go. Remember, a stable onion is a safe onion. Make sure it sits flat on the cutting board to avoid any slips. Finally, follow my chopping steps and no tears, no drama. Slice the onion horizontally, then vertically, and finally, chop it into small pieces. Keep your fingers tucked in and use a rocking motion with the knife. This technique not only ensures even pieces, but also minimizes the release of those tear-inducing chemicals. Try chilling the onion or chewing gum to keep those eyes dry. These simple hacks can make a big difference. Chilling the onion reduces the release of the chemicals that cause tears, and chewing gum can help distract your brain from the irritation. Give them a try and see what works best for you. Ready to chop like a ninja? With these tips, you'll be slicing and dicing like a pro in no time. Practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to get in the kitchen and give it a go. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Smash that like button and subscribe for more tips. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more kitchen hacks and cooking tutorials. Happy chopping! Now, let's talk about setting up your workspace. A well-organized kitchen can make a world of difference. Make sure you have a clean, stable cutting board and all your tools within reach. This not only makes the process smoother, but also safer. A clutter-free workspace allows you to focus on your chopping technique without any distractions. Washing your onions before chopping can also help. Rinsing the onion under cold water can reduce the amount of sulfuric compounds released into the air, which are the culprits behind those tears. It's a simple step, but it can make a big difference. Another important tip is to always use a sharp knife. A dull knife crushes the onion cells more, releasing more of those tear-inducing chemicals. A sharp knife, on the other hand, makes clean cuts and reduces the amount of irritants released. So make sure your knife is sharp before you start chopping. Using a fan in the kitchen can also help. Position a small fan to blow the onion fumes away from your face. This can significantly reduce the amount of irritants that reach your eyes. It's a simple yet effective trick that many professional chefs swear by. If you wear contact lenses, you're in luck. contacts can act as a barrier and protect your eyes from the onion fumes. So if you have them, make sure to wear them while chopping onions. It's a small advantage, but every bit helps. For those who want to avoid chopping altogether, a food processor can be a great alternative. Just peel and quarter the onion and let the food processor do the work. It's quick, efficient, and tear-free. Plus, it saves you time and effort, especially if you're preparing a large meal. Once you've chopped your onions, proper storage is key. Store them in an airtight container in the fridge to keep them fresh and reduce the release of odors. This not only keeps your kitchen smelling fresh, but also ensures that your onions are ready to use whenever you need them. Safety first. Always use a knife guard when storing your knives. This protects the blade and prevents accidents. A sharp knife is essential, but it's equally important to handle it safely. A knife guard is a simple tool that can make a big difference in your kitchen safety. Consider using a cutting glove for added safety. These gloves are designed to protect your hands from cuts and nicks while chopping. They're especially useful for beginners or anyone who feels a bit nervous about handling sharp knives. With a cutting glove, you can chop with confidence and peace of mind. After you're done chopping, don't forget to clean your cutting board thoroughly. Onions can leave a strong odor, so make sure to wash your board with hot, soapy water. You can also use a bit of lemon juice or vinegar to neutralize the smell. A clean cutting board is essential for maintaining a hygienic kitchen. And there you have it. With these tips and tricks, you can chop onions like a pro without the tears. Now, you can enjoy your cooking experience and create delicious meals without the hassle. So, go ahead, put these techniques to the test, and happy cooking. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Spread the word and help others conquer their onion chopping fears. And as always, stay tuned for more kitchen tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Remember, cooking should be fun and enjoyable. With the right techniques and a bit of practice, you can master any kitchen task. So, keep experimenting, keep learning, and most importantly, keep having fun in the kitchen. Until next time, happy chopping. And don't forget to keep your kitchen organized. A tidy kitchen is a happy kitchen. Make sure everything has its place, and you'll find that cooking becomes a much more pleasant experience. Organization is key to efficiency and enjoyment in the kitchen. Time management is also crucial. Set a timer to keep track of your cooking tasks and stay on schedule. This helps you stay focused and ensures that everything is cooked to perfection. A little planning goes a long way in the kitchen. And finally, don't forget to take breaks. Cooking can be a lot of fun, but it's also important to take a moment to relax and enjoy the process. Whether it's a cup of coffee or a quick stretch, taking breaks can help you stay energized and focused. So smile, relax, and enjoy your time in the kitchen. With these tips, you'll be chopping onions like a pro and creating delicious meals with ease. Thanks for joining me, and happy cooking. That's all for today. I appreciate you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Happy chopping, everyone. And as always, stay tuned for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking.